Hey everyone! Today, I'll show you how to add a red tint to your videos in CapCut PC. Let's get started. Go to the Text tab, add a default text box to the timeline. Type the number 1 into the text box. Resize and scale the text to cover the entire screen. Next, change the text color to red. Now, drag your video clip onto the timeline and place it above the text layer. Go to the Video Basic settings for the video layer. Click Blend and adjust the opacity to blend the red overlay with your video. Lower the opacity for a subtle tint or keep it high for a bold effect. Finally, match the text layer's duration to your video length. You can also experiment with other colors by repeating these steps. Try blue, green, or any shade that fits your style. And that's it. If this helped, leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more creative editing tips. Thanks for watching.